Hey guys, it's Charlie here. So if you watched the last video, you will remember that I promised that the Mexico video would be coming, and I still promise that, and I still believe it, because here it is. This is going to be the beginning. So going through these photos, I told you I took about 1,000 photos of Mexico, and it's kind of been like a whole process going through them, the whole thing. So now I'm going through them, and then I was like working, and then now I'm sick. Now I got COVID. So we're gonna split split the Mexico content up. I think is the point of this, because day one I took like half of the photos I was going to take. So I've been going through a lot of those, and they're really beautiful. So I kind of want to like separate those out, and that's gonna be one day, and then I'll probably just do the rest of the trip in another video. So the first day, we went out on a fishing boat with a guide. He works taking people out on this boat, and so we went out from the marina in Loretto, which is the town I was in. And we went out towards Isla Coronado, which is like this island that's like just a few miles off the town into the Sea of Cortez, and it's just a dormant volcano. And then there's like all these animals and birds and wildlife and stuff that live on the shore around the island. So you can go out there. And then there was dolphins. He was like pointing out dolphins to us. It was crazy. And then, okay, so you come around the far side of the island. We went around. There was a giant pod of sea lions. Just amazing. And then some of the sea lions were just like laying on their backs with their flippers up, like basking in the sun. and there were people swimming with the sea lions, which seems crazy to me. I don't know how you do that. And then come around to the far side. And there's like this little lagoon, this little beach. Uh, it's like white sandy beach with just the blue water. Um, it was crazy. It was incredible. So bunch of cool photos that day. So anyway, guys, yeah, there will be more Mexico content, and I'll see you in the next one.